So this is like the view from our apartment, which is kind of cool. But yeah, other than that, we have like staff orientation thing today, which I think is like 3 hours. And hopefully if we get there early enough, we can get a seat and not be standing. And then we're going to put bindings on both our snowboards. I think I'll probably use my indoor survival one because it's a parkish board, and the other one I don't want to scratch my base of the new board yet. So that is the plan for the day. We'll see who gets involved. But yeah, so far everyone's pretty chill, everyone's good. Yeah, let's make our way out. Let's go, let's do it. You're now on camera.
Hello.
That's Grace and Ben. Well, you notice that Grace and Ben have proper shoes. I do not. I have trainers. It's a terrible idea. He's coming to get some practice. He's trying to get a mag out of his pocket. It's actually pretty good with some hydraulics. Rolling his bowls. What the fuck? The halo blast from the past. Pretty good prizes, to be fair. So today was pretty chill, to be honest. We had our 3-hour orientation, so we met a lot of the higher end staff, a lot of the people that run the mountain, everyone that sort of gets involved to make this place the best ski resort in Canada. So that was kind of cool. It was cool to see everyone, and like even just the sheer amount of people, that 500 odd people that turned up just to see them all together, you know, it's just crazy. They gave us a free lunch as well, which was amazing, so that was kind of cool. And then we just went to the hot tub with Jack and Ben, and then we went to the arcade, and you've seen a bit of the arcade. The arcade's actually really cool, to be fair. I really like the shooting one, because actually instead of it being like shooting lasers and stuff, it's actually shooting like proper BBs at the thing, so it's kind of cool. We still didn't do our board,
We have not put bindings on it. We've got our other board as well. But yeah, we're just going to finish the day up here. Tomorrow we got not a lot on, we're just waiting for more snow, which sort of sucks. And yeah, I'm desperate to just go and snowboard or just go and teach, and it's just hanging it out now. Well, it's just not fun. But Tom will be here soon, so he'll light up the world as he does. But yeah, I'll just show you some footage of my board and then we'll just chill out for the day. So that's my indoor survival with the white bindings. And this is my new board, and that was the closest match I could get to that green. But I think it's pretty spot on. I think it's going to be good. We'll have to put that together tomorrow. But sure, we have nothing else to do, so we might as well do that.